In the previous lesson, we talked about demand planning and why the function exists. Now let's zoom in on the most important output of demand planning, that is the forecast. So what exactly is a forecast? At its core, a forecast is an informed estimate of the future demand of products or services. It is based on historical data, patterns, assumptions, and the best information available at a given point in time. A forecast is not a fact, it's a best estimate, and this distinction is extremely important. A forecast tells a business, based on what we know today, this is what the demand is likely to look like in future. This allows teams to plan ahead even though the future is uncertain. Now let's be very clear about what a forecast is not. A forecast is not a sales target, it's not a commitment, and it's never a guarantee. In real organizations, many problems arise because forecasts are treated as promises rather than estimates. The reality is simple. All forecasts are wrong because actual numbers will never be exactly the same as the forecast. Sometimes they are way off or sometimes they are slightly off, but they are never exactly the same as was in the forecast. And that's not a failure. That's just the nature of forecasting. Actual demand is influenced by customer behavior, market conditions, competition, promotions, and many other factors that cannot be predicted perfectly. So if forecasts are always wrong, why do we even bother creating them? Because the purpose of forecasting is not to be perfectly accurate. The purpose of forecasting is to help the business make better decisions than just random guessing in the air. A good forecast reduces uncertainty, creates alignment across the teams, and allows the business to plan production, inventory, and capacity in advance. Even an imperfect forecast is far more useful than no forecast at all. This is why forecasts are so critical. They act as a common planning language across the organizations, used by supply planning, operations, finance, and leadership teams. In the rest of this course, we will focus on how forecasts are built, how they are evaluated, and how they are improved over time. But the mindset we should keep throughout this course is that a forecast is an estimate, not a promise, and its value lies in better decisions, not perfection.